It's like I'm going into battle.
It takes all of your body and gets it behind the tool. It's not it's not what can you power and muscle anymore and beat your joints up. It gives your whole body the power to move the dent.
Because your muscles different.
Right.
And it's just a different. Yeah. You feel like a ninja, like you're MMA.
Right? You're like, yeah, I'm throwing some elbows. Right?
You know what I mean?
Crazy looking.
Yeah. Watch what happens after.
Oh, what? This is...
I know, that's what I'm thinking. Now how
I'm not even using my wrist.
No, you
I'm
don't.
not even doing
You
any.
don't
I'm just,
have to.
I mean, it's actually like, it's like I'm going into battle.
And you're not stressing your back out. You're not stressing your shoulders. You're not stressing your wrist. It's a little different, right? There's a right, but it's worth taking the minute to set it up to get in there with the power. And let's go through the wiring harness, right? So normally, you know, you're like here, right? This is where you really stress yourself out. Like that's so bad for your shoulder. It's pushing straight back. Now get in there and get real compact, like this. Bring your whole body down and in. Yep.
Oh, I gotcha.
Right? You see how much power? Right? Right? So you're just like you just lean into it. It's just your whole upper body now pushes the tool.
Yeah.
Right? So think of a bedside or a wiring harness on the back door.
That is crazy.
Right?
Yeah.
But it magnifies your power.
It does.
Exponentially.
It does.
So and then there's also
I'm gonna try it out.
There's also more adjustment here, right? If you need to move this, right, and that positive locks all the way around.
Okay.
You can also, just like I was demoing over there, right? If you're just a regular push, right? Now you're able to load up on here.
You can purchase the Ergo Power Grip from Keco Body Repair Products at kecotabs.com.